Hello, Joe here. I'm excited to share our new Vibe Blender design with you. Over the past 12 months, we have been working hard redesigning and improving our Vibe Blender. The main focus was to develop a brand new all stainless steel lid for our 1.75 litre pitcher, replacing the previous plastic lid. So, goodbye plastic, and hello stainless steel. We're all becoming more aware of the importance of removing plastics from our kitchens, especially when it comes to items we use to prepare food in. This is particularly vital when it comes to blenders. Recent research shows that plastic blenders are one of the biggest contributors to microplastics in our diet. And with over 90% of households in the West owning a plastic blender, this is a big issue. Our all-new stainless steel design aims to address this head-on, and we're proud to be part of the solution to remove microplastic contamination from our foods. So let's take a look at our new design. Our lid is constructed from 304 food-grade stainless steel. It features a food-safe silicone filler cap, and the seal is made from TPU rubber, one of the safest food-grade materials available. The great news is that the only material coming into contact with your food are stainless steel and our high-quality food-grade silicone gasket that sits under the blade system. As you can see, the entire underside of the lid that faces your food is made from stainless steel. Additionally, our 1.75 litre pitcher, also made from 304 stainless steel, contains no prints, inks or toxic materials, giving you the peace of mind when preparing your blender recipes. So enjoy making amazing blender creations knowing you and your family are using the best plastic-free blender on the market. We've also designed a new stainless steel drive socket for a more robust connection between our powerful commercial grade motor and the blades. Another improvement we've made is to redesign the vortex ribs. These are the 4 ridges inside our stainless steel pitcher, specifically engineered to create a strong vortex that thoroughly breaks down all ingredients being processed. This new design has been shown to improve blending performance and smoothness by up to 30%. Along with these updates and improvements, our Vibe Blender still includes superior components and technology, creating a world-class, high-speed blending system for home use. Our technology includes medical-grade stainless steel blades and our German-designed heavy-duty motor that produces a max RPM of 35,000. Our motor generates strong torque and is super efficient and stable at high speeds. Next is our sound elimination technology. All of the components in the Luvele Vibe Blender have been designed to reduce noise as much as possible. We also have our temperature sensor control system. This provides full control of your blending outcomes. The temperature sensor allows you to know what the temperature of the ingredients are in the pitcher at all times. This is important when making raw food recipes, as well as making hot soups and drinks. Last but not least is our intelligent Smart Touch control panel. This makes controlling your Vibe Blender simple and intuitive. It also allows for easy and fast cleaning of the blender base. Finally, our Vibe Blender is covered by our 2-year warranty. For more info on the Vibe Blender's features and technology, we have linked our handbook and brochure below for you to check out. To see our Vibe Blender in action, we have loads of amazing healthy Luvele life recipes on our YouTube channel and recipe blog. We have linked both below for you to enjoy. We also create delicious, healthy recipes every week, so you'll never be short on inspiration. To order your new Luvele Vibe Blender, jump onto our website today. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.